How many seconds was that, I wonder? Breaking the laws of gravity. Ugh, that was a nice finish. Excuse me. Seriously. That's kind of random. Ugh, excuse me, sorry. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Tastes like the cheese dog I just had. Blah. Through the jet stream. Will be worth it, obviously. Will be worth it, obviously. Oh my friggin' lord, biggest burp ever. Ugh. Get in my hands. Oh my god. You stuck for me, Toad. Ugh, I'm burping already and it's not even, like, the first minute. That's it. That's it. Sorry. Don't say sorry, it's your trademark. It really does. I don't know if you guys think it's... I'm gonna stop right now. Oh, yeah. See you next time. Yeah. Yo, yeah. Whew-wee.